Hi everybody, it's Pamela. Welcome to my mess again. Today we're going to be doing some cleaning and I have to make dog food. And on this day I was moving very slow. Well, should I say on this week I was moving very slow. Always have some laundry to do. In that crock pot I made a cheese sauce for mac and cheese, and it was the easiest one I've ever done. I was so tired. I just threw some cream and some Velveeta in the crock pot and let it warm up together, and salt and pepper or whatever. It was so easy. I didn't have to sit there and stir it on the stove so it didn't scorch. I love doing it that way. While I'm doing something else, I'm going to spray down the sink with the Clorox bleach spray so that it can just start cleaning itself. If you don't already know, that's Bella. She's a white German Shepherd. Here I had something stuck on the counter. I don't know what it was, but I couldn't get it off. So if you use a plastic silverware, you can scrape it off the counter without doing any damage. This is the freezer that I use for all the dog food stuff. It usually either has dog food making stuff or the actual dog food. So here I'm just gathering up everything I need out of the freezer to make the batch of dog food. It's so much easier since I got this second freezer, because I like to stay stocked up on stuff, so my freezers are usually full. Those chicken nuggets are for their lunch. Every day they get one chicken nugget each for lunch. My freezers are downstairs in the basement, and I want to do a basement cleaning and organizing video because it's really, really messy down there. This is after I got home from shopping, so everything's a mess again. Just taking a break from inside to go outside and take care of everybody out here. Right now, currently my guineas are all locked up with the chickens because a fox came and killed one of them, and then the next day tried to get another one of them. So they're all pinned up, which I got them to eat ticks, to free range my yard and eat ticks. And now they're in a little pen. This is my baby Woden. He's a standard poodle, and he wants to show everybody his blanket game with his baby. We have to hide the baby in the blanket, and then he finds it, and then we have to do it again. Ta-da! I got it, Mommy! So I've got to separate all the meat on this day as well. Get it into the freezer. Some of these steak tips I put in marinade to cook on the barbecue, and others I cut up for our steak and cheese sandwiches. Now I'm just weighing up the right amount for our steak and cheese sandwiches, and I'm going to throw all this in the freezer. While I'm doing all of this, I am cooking the stuff that I need to make the dog food. The beans and the pasta and the rice and the barley. The beginning of another day. This is how I separated my guineas from my chickens to let the guineas free range, which, as I said, they're not doing right now. The fox came right up to the coop last night, or yesterday afternoon, in the middle of the day, trying to get them. She's probably feeding babies. So I don't really know what to do. So just making the bed, tidying up the bedroom. I got a brand new bedspread, which I'll show you at the end of the video. Hey, Mother Nature, I would really like to stop wearing these stinking sweatshirts every day. It's June. I keep waiting for it to warm up so I'll feel better. So now I'm getting to work on the dog food. I had some broth that hadn't thawed yet, and I also needed to cook the quinoa, so that's what I was doing here. I got that towel trick back years and years ago when I used to watch PBS. Jacques Pepin did that in his apron, and I've been doing it ever since. There's just some meat that I had in the freezer. And some cheese that had gotten a little bit of freezer burned, and I like to put some kind of, cheese in there, food for calcium. This video took me so long to film and edit because I've just been dragging so bad that I think I'm gonna have to make dog food again next week. And I'm looking at myself doing it saying, I'm exhausted. I'm not ready to do it again. Finally starting to mix everything together. It's amazing. It was a gift. And I'm so excited. Ta-da!